Hi guys, today I want to share with you my summertime favorites. So this is going to be a whole video on my favorite beauty products, hair care products, and a little bit of skincare that I've been loving for the summer months, especially now that it's hot outside. I am loving these products for all different reasons that I'm going to share with you right now. So let's get right into it. Let me start off with some hair care. I think I have the most hair care products for today's video, so I have these two shampoo and conditioners that I'm absolutely loving right now, and it's kind of new. It's the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. And I never knew anything about Briogeo, but I had started watching a couple of YouTube videos, and a lot of beauty YouTubers were mentioning how the Briogeo products are awesome for just being really healthy and natural for your hair. And so I thought, why not, check out the brand. And they had a special like superfoods pack that came with both of these for $48 at Sephora. And I'm really liking it. First of all, I love the scent of it. I didn't think I was going to like apple, but it is just very refreshing and lightweight. And I feel like when I use both of those products, my hair feels super clean, and when I blow out my hair, it just is like very smooth and healthy feeling. So that's amazing. And then I also picked up the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro-Exfoliating Shampoo. This is like a mini one of the shampoo, and then also the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So I also suffer from a little bit of dry scalp during the summer, especially when I'm doing different things to my hair, or you're using the pool a lot. And this just completely cleans my scalp. It leaves it feeling like so nice and refreshed. I love the charcoal and the coconut. It just smells like minty. I don't know how, but it just smells minty and like super soothing to the scalp. And it does have a bit of that like gritty texture, which is really cool. It almost feels like you're exfoliating your hair instead of your face. So awesome, cool product. Once I'm done with the mini size, I'm going to buy a full size in the Scalp Revival and the hair mask. I definitely think, because my hair is naturally curly, and especially now that I have it colored, I need products that are going to condition it. And especially in the summertime, again, if you're out doing a lot of activities, putting a hair mask in your hair is going to help to just keep it healthy and vibrant. So definitely loving the Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. And then another brand of shampoo and conditioner that I love is the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. I only just recently got into this also. I've heard a lot of great things about this collection, but I just recently, maybe a month and a half ago, went into Ulta and picked it up just to check it out. And I actually use this all the time when I'm wearing my hair naturally curly. It works so well to bring out my natural curls. And I find that the Briogeo works better when I straighten my hair, but when I'm wearing it naturally curly, this works so well. I think it's because it has the oil in it, and that will keep my curls bouncy and hydrated. So if you have curly or wavy hair like mine, and you're looking for a new shampoo and conditioner to check out, this is really awesome. It is free of sulfate cleansers, and it has 6 featherlight oils to help soften, silken, tame, defrizz, detangle, and protect your hair. So as you can see, I'm like almost out of this completely, but this is an awesome collection, especially if you have curly hair. And another 2 products that are part of that line is the Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer, which is almost like a leave-in conditioner, and then the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. And I use this when I'm curling my hair, straightening my hair, when I just do nothing to it. I just think that having the oil, especially if you have dry hair, helps to moisturize and to keep it naturally more healthy. So these 2 products are awesome for styling, whether I'm curling or straightening it, but I really like the whole collection for Bumble & Bumble. Okay, so then another hair thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this awesome tool by Revlon. It is the One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, and I got it at Target for think like around $55, but they have sales all the time on Amazon. I think I saw it for $48. It is amazing, and I had been watching some YouTube videos again, and I found that a lot of bloggers were talking about this product, and so I thought, okay, I mean, it's not that expensive and maybe it will work for my hair, and it really does. So what I love about it is that I can blow out like my friends or my cousin's hair easily because I can use the brush and the blow dryer, but whenever I try to do it to myself, it's like my hair it becomes really puffy, and I get tired of just like taking the blow dryer and the brush to my hair. But this is awesome because it's just one tool. So you get out of the shower, you can put like a styling cream in your hair, and then you just go in with wet hair or damp hair and you style it with this. It has the blow dryer feature inside of the brush, and it works amazingly well. I usually take about an hour to blow dry my hair. With this, it's about 30 minutes. So if you have thick hair, if you have coarse curly hair and you're looking for a new product to try, definitely recommend this. Again, it's under $60 and it gets your hair bouncy and a smooth salon worthy blowout. So I love it. And I'll probably be doing a hair tutorial on this one next. So you guys can take a look at that and just see what you think. Okay, now on to more beauty related stuff. I would say that during the summertime, I don't really wear a lot of full coverage makeup just because I don't want anything that feels cakey or heavy on my skin. So I've been using a lot of tinted moisturizers or just lightweight foundation, and these two are my favorites. The first one is the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue. My shade is Natural 5, and just for reference, for the bareMinerals Original Foundation, which is also another one of my favorites, I wear medium beige in that. But the Complexion Rescue is so nice because if you just want to have an evened out skin tone and just look very natural, this is definitely the product for you. There's so many different shades. I love it because it really does take away my redness, and I can easily just run out the door with this alone. If I want to make it a little bit more full coverage, I could always just apply a powder on top, but for summertime, this is like a must-have. And then another one, if you don't like bareMinerals or you want to try something different, is the Lancome Skin Feels Good Hydrating Tint. This is awesome also, and I love the way that this has hyaluronic acid in it because it will plump your skin and just makes it look very just youthful. So definitely something to consider for this product, and I love the scent of it. I will say though that it does have a scent, so you might want to go to Ulta or you might want to go to the Lancome counter or Sephora and smell it and see if that bothers you. It also has sunscreen in it. It has SPF 23, and the bareMinerals one has SPF 30, so you're going to have that sun protection with either of these. And I'll say both of them give you a really beautiful coverage. It's definitely more sheer to medium, and then you can always powder on top if need be, but these are my two summertime makeup favorites. And then if I don't want to wear liquid makeup, I can always go to my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. And right now, because I've gotten a bit of a tan, my shade is NC35, but this is a gorgeous powder that you can use to set your makeup with, or you can use it just as an all-over face powder as well. I really like using it on top of the tinted moisturizer if I just need a little bit more coverage, but MAC Studio Fix is like a cult favorite. So many people love this foundation. It goes beautifully on your skin. Again, a lot of shades to choose from. I like that now Ulta has it, so you could go in there and find the right shade for you, but it's a beautiful powder. And then for a setting powder, I just recently picked this up, but I'm extremely impressed by it, is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and the shade that I am is the medium beige shade, and they have like a universal shade, some translucent shades, and I think like a deeper, darker, and light shade. And this is awesome because it's such finely milled powder, so you just apply it onto your skin and immediately you notice that your skin looks so flawless and so smooth and soft. And I just can easily apply a little bit of the tinted moisturizer and then this on top, and it puts the whole look together. So I never really used translucent setting powders in the past, but this one also, I have the box here. It has, what is it? I think it has, yeah, coconut water, alpine rose, and also the hyaluronic acid. So if you have mature skin and you just want that plumping, naturally youthful effect, check out this powder. It's really, really great for that. All right, moving along, we have a couple other things. I have my favorite lip color. It is the Buxom Clair. This is the full-on lip polish. It definitely has that plumping effect, so if you don't like lip plumpers, this one might be, you know, just keep moving forward with the video, but I love this because I'll apply it with like a regular lip color, and this just gives me that plumping effect, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, and I love this color. It's just like the perfect color if you have medium skin tone like me. And then my favorite mascara for the summertime, and really this is like my all-time favorite mascara, is the Benefit Roller Lash. I've talked about it in other videos, but it really does give you that lash curling and plumping effect, which I love. I love to wear mascaras that give you that false lash look without having to wear false lashes. And then a couple other things for you guys. I've showed this in another video. My favorite eyeshadow palette would be the Bare Essentials. This is the bareMinerals palette, and it has a bunch of neutral but also metallic shades, a lot of golds, a lot of oranges, and the browns, which is perfect. This is like the Meagan palette. I definitely feel like this palette is for me. And then, let's see, what else do I have here? I have some skin stuff. So my favorite cleanser would be the Somerville Exfolikate cleanser. This has a very nice foaming effect to it, and it just smells amazing, and it cleans my skin so well. So it takes off my makeup, but it's gentle enough for sensitive skin, and I love it. All the time use this. Next up is my favorite face cream. I love the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide cream. I've shown it in other videos and all over social media, but this face cream works so well with my combination sensitive skin. It doesn't have any fragrance to it. It has 9-signal peptide water lily blend. Let's see what else is really cool about it. It's a clean product. It works so well with applying makeup. I find that my makeup doesn't go, you know, like melting off my face when I wear it, and it's the only moisturizer that I've used lately that doesn't like irritate my skin at all. It's just a beautiful moisturizer, and I like the way you just pump it and the product comes right out. Alright, so last but not least, I wanted to talk to you guys about my favorite fragrances for summer. I recently picked up a style kit by Pinrose, and they had a bunch of different mini-sized fragrances in it. I'm loving Sun Saint and also Pillowtalk Poet. These two just smell so fresh. This one has like a coconut lime undertone, and then this one's more of like that vanilla, so it's just very pretty and soft. So definitely recommend checking out Pinrose. I love that kit because I think it has like 8 or 9 different fragrances that you can sample. They're roller balls, and there's quite a bit in there that I actually love, so I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to get in full size, but those two are some of my favorites. Merrymaker is also another one, and then let's see, Tambourine Dreamer is also another one of my favorites. And last but not least, I have just like a lifestyle favorite, and that would be my nickel and suede earrings. I'm wearing the lilac gray, and then these are the seaside cord, and I love these because they have like a really cool texture to them, but I have so many. I've worn them in so many different Instagram photos, but these are like the only earrings that I have that don't hurt my ears after a while. So many earrings I've tried either hurt when I'm wearing them or they just start to feel very heavy, but these don't. They're leather earrings, and they're either made out of gold or sterling silver for the backs, and they just like are so beautiful. They have 3 different sizes, so this is the medium size, and you can see it just is like perfect for my face shape and with my hair, but they have smaller and larger ones, and they have other shapes too. So if you don't like the teardrop, they also have a bunch of different shapes that you can check out. So I definitely recommend these. They're just like my all-time favorite style of earrings. And that's pretty much it for my summertime favorites. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried any of these, if any of them are your holy grail favorites, and also let me know, what do you want me to film next. I love doing these videos, and like I said, I'm going to be doing the Revlon hairstyler one probably next, and then whatever else you guys want to see. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, my handle is Meagan Aguayo, and then also that's the name of my blog, meaganaguayo.com. So follow me along there for more beauty tips, hair tutorials, all that jazz. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.